Hey, hi everyone, welcome to the another new video and most rated video on Accenture abstract reasoning question answers. So, what is the abstract reasoning and what are the kind of questions they will ask you? I will give you a just brief in just 1 or 2 minutes. Just we'll see our updated syllabus about the Accenture. So, actually, in the Accenture, we have seen the sections like cognitive ability, technical ability, program, and communication assessment, right? So, in the cognitive ability, again, they had categorized into two parts. Those are critical reasoning and problem solving. So, we already did a video on critical reasoning and problem solving and what are the type of questions they will ask. And also, the second category is nothing but abstract reasoning, which is having around 50 questions. So, abstract reasoning, I'm directly telling you guys, this section will consisting of all of the problems. 90% depend on the diagrammatic oriented problems. So, if you observe, go to our exam complete syllabus and go to abstract reasoning, you can see visual reasoning oriented all the questions and a flowchart visual reasoning DI and few 10% of the questions will be depend on directions and seating arrangement. So 90% of the high level questions will be asked in the directions and seating arrangement in the critical reasoning. But just for 10% questions we are expecting here in the previous model papers we have observed this. Okay. So majorly you need to focus on visual reasoning and visual reasoning DI, which is nothing but flowcharts. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the abstract reasoning oriented questions more. So if you want to know about critical reasoning and problem solving, we already uploaded the video, you can watch it. Okay, so just before going to start the session or the video, I would like to say one more thing also. Please try to pause each and every question and try to solve it on your own first, and then try to comment on this video so that we will pick the top 3 commenters of the video, and we will give the free access to our Prefinsta Prime where you can prepare for all your placement needs. And also, this is a placement season. A lot of companies are going to hire. So the first thing is information, right? You need to get the information about the hiring process and which company is going to hire, and you need to know the deadlines and everything. So in order to do that, we have created all our social media handles like Instagram, WhatsApp, Discord, LinkedIn, Telegram. If you are a 2025 batch student, follow our only 2025 Instagram handle. If you are a 2024, only follow 2024. If you are a 2026, follow only 2026 Instagram page, so that we have given all the links in the given below of the description below of this video, so you can follow, so that you don't have to hesitate whether you can apply or not. If you are following particular handle and if you got the notification, means you have to apply directly. That's it. We will take care of all this. And next one is, if you want to reach us and to communicate with us, WhatsApp, Discord, LinkedIn, Telegram, all the links given in the description of the video, and you can reach us at any time. We will happy to help you guys. So, without any further delay, let's get started with our very first question. Again, I'm telling you, try to pause the video and try to do it on your own first. Then look into the explanation. Okay. Visual reasoning is bit easy if you know all the different model questions. So there is no lot of explanation. Just how to approach towards the question is the matter. Okay. So just look into the question. Find the, sorry, here the data was not given. So don't read the data here. So the picture is given like this and it is folded like this, and it has some cuts. And what is the picture if it is unfold? So this is the question. Okay. So see here, the circular paper is folded as triangle. So it is having some curve cut in the sides. When you unfold this area again back, so this half circle will become full circle. Right? This is nothing but option A is correct. For example, if it is folded like this and it is given, for example, V cut like this, then remember the same replica shape will be created when it is unfolded. This is what you need to remember. When you are folding and unfolding back, you need to remember the symmetric symbol will be created on the unfolded area also, so that you need to imagine. This is all about your IQ skills and imaginary skills. There is no such as things like shortcuts, formulas in visual reasoning. Visual reasoning is always about your ideology and your thinking skills. Okay, so I hope I don't have to explain much about it. So just go to the next problem, which is nothing but one small circle is given and bigger circle is given and one shaded circle is given. Okay, and one triangle. Okay, if you observe, each block have a unique symbol. So here circle, triangle, square. So our answer figure also will have only squares, right? So you can eliminate the triangle in the option. Next one, if you observe the middle figures, which are bigger in size, they are not shaded, right? So the middle one is always bigger square. And the left hand side, right hand side, small symbols were there. So big square, which is not shaded, means option 4 also you can eliminate. And if you observe, guys, either left hand side or right hand side, one figure was shaded. So if I choose option A, it will become non-shaded both the sides. So I can eliminate option 1 also. So my answer is option 2, which is nothing but the right hand side was shaded. So option B is correct. So it's all about thinking and reasoning skills, nothing else. Okay, just look into the next problem. Here I would like to talk about more about the mirror images and water images as well. So that's why I have taken this question, but I haven't given the options and everything. So I want to you guys to improve your thinking skills. Just look at it. What is water image and what is mirror image? So how to find a water image oriented problem and mirror image oriented problem. Remember guys, mirror. So how can you see yourself in the mirror? Which is nothing but you will see in a vertical way, right? Which is nothing but you will stand in front of you mirror. So remember, whenever it's called mirror, mirror means vertical line shift. So vertical line you have to design. For example, someone asks water image. So water will be on the floor or a ground. So you can see like this to the bottom. So water image means always remember horizontal line. So water means horizontal line. Mirror means vertical line. Remember this. Okay. So mirror, which is nothing but it will fold vertically. So imagine this is a image. So it will come like this. So observe guys. See here, my little finger is here. So if I fold like this, my little finger is here. So the nearest finger will come to the nearest side on the vertical side. And if you observe my thumb is the farthest from this vertical line, right? For example, this is the vertical. So if I fold this, my thumb came here. So nearest objects will come nearest and farthest object will go far in the mirror. So simply imagine like this. So if I fold this is the main object, right? So this rectangle will come here with a shaded bubble and circle here, and these two will come like this, and this is the shaded area, whatever. So this is your answer, right? And next, if you observe bottom top, so remember guys, in the bottom shift, imagine this is your hand and simple same fold. Okay, just simply fold to the bottom. So if I fold to the bottom, see, this will be turned. So bottom we have an empty circle, and in the top we have shaded circle. Imagine the empty circle is like little finger and shaded circle is like a thumb. So if I fold like this, see, nearest coming to the nearest to the line and farthest is going away from the line. So imagine imaginary horizontal line. So simply here it will be shaded. So again rectangle, and if you observe, the empty square will come here, empty square, and the shaded one will come. So it's all about your imaginary skills is the matters. How it is shifting. Remember, see here the difference between mirror image, and water image. So this is what you need to understand. Mirror image answer will be different, water image answer will be different, but you need to understand how to do it. For example, A, how A will be shifted to the mirror image, which is nothing but same A. For example, see, here I am saying A like this, okay? Then it will come like this, okay? For example, it is a water image if you want. Very simple. Water image comes. So it's all about your imaginary skills. Okay. So with a single question, I hope I have explained the both water and mirror images to you clearly. If you still have any doubts, you can comment on this video and we'll definitely reply back, guys. So let's look into the next problem. So in the next problem, you have identify the option below which completes the series. So you need to find the next coming figure. So first one, it is direction is north and it is become north, sorry, it's east and it becomes southeast and it's become west. So if you observe 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, next 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, this type arrows are indicating, right? Which is nothing but it is rotating 45 degrees clockwise. So if you rotate 45 degrees clockwise, it will point to this top right corner. Sorry, top left corner. Top left corner means option B. So option B is correct, which is a second figure. So you can easily observe the patterns. It's nothing difficult, but I am suggesting you guys, you need to face all the problems before. Sir, how can I face all the problems before? I will tell you guys, just go to our prepinsta.com and where you can see Accenture syllabus and there you can go to the abstract reasoning and go to the visual reasoning section and the flowcharts of visual DI. So if you go to the both the categories, so on my end net is bit slow, let them load. Okay, so here in the visual reasoning and flowcharts, again you will consisting of multiple quizzes. Say for example, see we have around 5 quizzes, and in the flowchart DA also you will have a multiple quizzes, 5 quizzes. So if you practice all these things, you are ready to go to the Accenture exam there. And if you want to know about the theoretical concept behind, so what is the visual reasoning theoretical concepts and what are the different categories in the visual reasoning, then I will suggest our Prepinsta Prime. Why? Because here Prepinsta Prime is for learning purpose, which we have given all the theoretical knowledge and practice question answers in the video based. And our Prepinsta.com we have given in the quiz based. So here you can go to the corresponding aptitude section, and in the aptitude section you can see visual reasoning category. Here in the visual reasoning you can see all the different model questions, how to approach to the questions and everything is we have clearly created this visual reasoning section you can go through. Or if you want to directly prepare to the Accenture company syllabus specifically, you can go to the company specific dashboard and here you can see Accenture complete preparation course, so that you can open and you can start your preparation directly. So all these things you need to prepare before only. Why? Because visual reasoning is a category which is nothing but you have to touch the problems, all the different model problems before the examination, so that in the examination every question will be familiar for you and you can easily attempt and you can easily score above 80%. Why? Because Accenture will always follow the strategy of top 20% people. So 80% you need to score so that you will be in a safe zone. So in order to get this, if you want to know about the pricing and everything, I will show you as well. So you can see for the 3 months you have to pay just 4499 and you will get access 200 plus courses easily, right? And for the 6 months it is 5499 and 12 months it is 6499. And if you use the coupon code YouTube or Prime, you will get the maximum discount of 10% and still you will get for less than 5000 for the 12 months, right? So less than 6500 here it is mentioned. So again you will get the 10% off, around 650 rupees will be get off. So you will get it for 5,800 something. So don't miss this chance. Try to grab this and start your preparation on the Accenture. Right. So let's get back to the questions. So again, I'm telling you, please try to comment on this video by pausing each and every question and then watch the explanation. Why? Because practice is the major key for the visual reasoning or abstract reasoning. So just look into the question now. Identify among these given options which option will be complete the series. So if you observe guys, on the first figure, all are one directional, which is I can say less than greater than 0. So this is how I will pronounce. So all are greater than. Okay. In the second figure, if you observe, the first one become less than. Okay. And if you observe in the third figure, the second one become less than and this one become again greater than. So one shift. And here also if you observe, the third one is shifted and remaining all are same. So in the answer figure, fourth one will be shifted, all the remaining will be same. So fourth one is shifted and all are remaining same. So I have seen in the two pictures. Then how can I guess which is my correct answer? That's why they have given another element also, which is a circle. So if you observe the circle is on the top left corner. Now it is moved to top right corner. Next it is moved to bottom right corner. Next it is moved to bottom left corner. So which is nothing but it is moving in a clockwise direction to the every corner. So if you observe, it will come to next top left corner, which is nothing but initial position. So option 3 and 4, which you can choose 3 and you can eliminate the 4. So option C is the correct answer. So this is how you have to examine the figure. So remember, if you didn't get the answer by one element, you have to cross check the second element also sometimes. So each element will eliminate the options so that you will get the accuracy of the question, right? So you will get accuracy. So just look into the flowchart based question answers, how to do that. And guys, this is one of the simplest and easiest. Don't get confused. Just follow the instruction they are provided and just study it and write the rough note. The problems are damn easy, and frankly, I'm telling you, this is a scoring area. Rather than feeling like it's a tough area, remember, this is always a scoring area if you practice before. Just look at here, how to solve these type of problems. It's very easy. Study the following chart and given below answer the questions. So simply I will follow the flow chart. Just see. 1 to 10 boxes is given and they're having some values. Okay, keep it like that. Don't worry. Next, let's start. So first A is saying that subtract box 4 minus box 1. Remember guys, subtraction means subtraction. So subtract means you will get negative values or positive values. Difference means always you have to take the positive value. So you need to know the difference between difference and subtraction. Subtraction will get negative value. So box 4 is 14 and box 1 is 17. 14 minus 17 is minus 3 and minus 3 put the result in the 10th box. So minus 3 is the present value in the box of 10. Okay, that's it. Next, let's go. There is no conditions nothing. Is number in the box 10 is less than 0? Yes, box, the value in the box 10 is now minus 3. Is less than 0 is true. Yes. So if it is true, then go. If it is false, then you have to choose the path this. So directly you can skip to the D. But it is true, right? True means you don't have to go to D. You can go to C. What C is saying? C is saying number in the box 9 and 5 you have to add. Box number 9 having 5 and box number 5 having 9. So it's a swap. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So put that in the result box 2. So here I am updating with 14. So two boxes were updated till now, that is box 2 and box 10. Okay. Next, come to the D. Is number in the box 2, number in the box 2 is 14, is greater than number in the box 7. Box 7 having 7. Yes, 14 is greater than 7. If yes, go forward. If no, go back to C. So it is true, right? True means you don't have to go back. Directly you can proceed with the E. So E, multiply box 10 with the box 2. Box 10 is minus 3 and box 2 is 14. So if you multiply, you will get minus 42. And put the result in the box 3. So box 3 value is now minus 42. Right? So end. So after completion of this, 1 to 10 boxes were changed, only 3 boxes. Those 3 boxes are 2 having 14, 3 have 42 minus, and 10 having minus 3. So let's see the questions. So I'm just not erasing the rough work, just to see the problems. Okay, so just look at here. What is the number is stored in box 3 after completion of the entire flow chart? In box 3, actually it was before 33, I think, right? So if you observe, yeah, earlier it is 33 in the box 3. If you observe now, it is minus 42. So your answer is simply option C, minus 42 is the correct answer. So if you solve one flow chart, you will definitely get at least 2 problems to 3 problems. So you can spend at least 2 to 3 minutes, no problem. Okay. So I am remembering box 10 as minus 3, box 3 as minus 42, box 2 as 40. So I am erasing the screen and let's go to the next problem. And what is the problem asked on the same flow chart? Is nothing but at the end of the flow chart, which number is stored in the box whose number appeared in the box 9? So what is the value in the box 9? Box 9 is not changed, right? Only 10 got changed and 3 got changed, 2 got changed. So answer is 5. Box 9 is not changed. So this is how you need to do the problems. Okay. Flowcharts is damn easy. Please, I am telling you. At least they will ask 2 questions, maximum 3 to 4 questions. So please spend at least 2 to 3 minutes or at least 1 or 2 minutes on the flowchart dedicatedly and note it down and go to the questions and you can simply do it. Okay. Next. Look at the problem. Identify the amount of the given options, which options complete the series. So just look at here, guys. One shaded area is there and the next 2 shaded areas were added. So here plus 2 I can say. And next, if you observe, among these 3, this block is removed, right? So minus 1. One block is removed. Next, if you observe, these 2 shades were there and another 2 is added, plus 2. So, yes, carefully observe here. Boxes adding plus 2 in a clockwise direction and one block is removing in anti-clockwise direction, which is nothing but on the top right side. One block is removing. On the left hand side, they are increasing the blocks. If you observe clearly, yeah, I got the logic. See, here I have added 2 boxes here, which is nothing but clockwise direction. In the next picture, I have removed the top, this one, which is nothing but anti-clockwise block. So, like this, if you observe, next one will be minus 1, right? Minus 1 means you have to remove the rightmost, which is nothing but anti-clockwise direction, first block, which is nothing but this. So, if I remove this block, so even I will take the white color so that you can understand. So, if I remove this block, we will left with just small L symbol. So, option A is correct. So this is all about logic, guys. So maybe it is, if you pause the video and you have tried on your own, you may not get for the first time, but I got luckily for the first time. So you can also try like this. So just look into the next problem. Okay, rather than explaining this problem, I would like to give this as your assignment. So try to solve this question and try to comment on this video. So we will pick the top 3 commenters and we will try to give the free access to our Prepinsta Prime. Again, I told you, right, what is our Prepinsta Prime? Just I am telling you, our Prepinsta Prime is nothing but simply one platform for 200 plus courses. You can learn anything at one single price. So for example, you can see all the different courses like TCS crash course on popular skills, upskilling you can do on full stack and popular languages like C, C++, Java, Python if you want to learn, and data structures in different programming languages. And if you want to learn aptitude, quant, logical, verbal, data notation, visual reasoning, all these are in the video format structure so that you can learn from the basics to advanced level everything for your placement needs. Even if you want to build the projects, we have created the projects based on the different skill set and the different modules. You can take it off. Sorry, you can take care of it. And if you want to prepare for the interviews, some interviews they will ask about the CS subjects. We also created all the courses based on the CS subjects as well. And if you want to brush up your codes, automata and pseudocode. Pseudocode is also important for the Accenture, so don't miss this. And also interview preparation and interview experience based on the service based, product based, you can see that. And if you want to build your resume course also we have embedded. So all this comes under our Prepinsta Prime. Just you need to comment in this video for this solution for this question, and we'll pick the top 3 commenters and we'll try to give the free access to the Prime. Okay, I hope the question have passed is sufficient time. You can pause this and try it and comment on this video. And last but not least, again, I'm telling you, a lot of companies are hiring soon for the different years, like 2024, 2025, and internship for the 2026 years, batch students. So don't forget to follow our social media handles like Instagram and all the remaining links for the communication purpose. If you have any doubts and you guys want to reach us, you can reach us through WhatsApp, Discord, LinkedIn, and Telegram. All the links are given in the description of the video again. I'm telling you. So don't miss this chance. Happy preparation from Prince. Thank you.